Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to create a new contact on a XIAOMI 14T Pro. Firstly, go into the apps phone, the phone's app. Now tap on create new contact. Now choose where you would like to store your contact to. It can be either your SIM card, your Google account or your device. I'm going to choose my device. Now you can tap on this icon to select your profile picture. Let's say from gallery. Now we can align it and crop it, and then tap on choose. If you tap on this arrow, you're going to see every blank for name, such as name prefix, first name, middle name, surname and name suffix. Obviously you don't have to fill all of them. The most important is going to be the first name and maybe the surname. You can also add the company. The most important is obviously the phone number. You can add few of these and label each one of them as something different. This one will stay as maybe let's change it to work, and maybe this one as home. And now it works the same with an email. You can add few of them and label each one of them as something different. You're also able to add a significant date, let's say 19th of November 2024 set, and this time I will label it as something custom, let's say an appointment. Alright. Obviously you don't have to fill all of these blanks again. The only thing that you actually need for the contact to be alright is the phone number and the name for it. Now if you tap on more fields, you're going to see fields like address, website, related person and relationship with that person, SAP. You can also write notes about this contact, and label are just groups, so you can create the groups like work, family, friends and other stuff. But unfortunately this doesn't work sometimes on some devices, the labels. So yeah, that's going to be all. If I helped you, please now tap on the save in the top right corner. That's what I meant by saying that's going to be all for now. And now here is our contact. And if you would like to share some information about this contact to someone else, just hold the information that you're going to share and tap on copy to clipboard. So let's say here, copy to clipboard, and now you can just paste it somewhere. Also, if you tap on the three dots top right corner and tap on share, you can select the information that you would like to include and tap on continue. And now a small file is going to be created that contains all of the selected information. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.